In this video we can see that how we can disable all the JPA auto database configuration in a Spring Boot application. Currently we configure here in application.properties Spring Data Source URL practice database and JPA its entity and JPA repository all are both are configured when application is started. So basically what do, no need to manually create entity manager in a Spring Boot. When application start in Spring Boot, it's automatically configured with default properties. So we can start and see. So currently we see that we have two records with pagination result. So what do we do here for automatic not configured by Spring Boot application? For that we open practice database and here excludes all the classes which is first enable auto configuration, and inside that we can exclude default properties. Post data source auto configuration dot class data source class and hibernate JPA auto configuration dot class. It is configured when application start, automatic configure with default properties. What would we here? We disable excludes, and exclude what do? It is not manually configured when application start. So we can see that it should be generate error and application will not start. So we can see in console, so entity and repository regarding error throw here. So it is happen when we can exclude when application start. So that's it. We can also disable here JPA auto configuration. So manually where we can do when we can do these things when in our application more than one DP when manually set up, then can manually we can here exclude directly. So in some applications, some Spring Boot application manually need to more than one database, then it that time it should be do here.